Hello, I'm Enso from Enso Circle. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to guide you through daily meditation, ideally first thing in your morning and the last thing in your night. Find a quiet place where you will not be disrupted. Sit with your legs crossed or sit on a chair with your legs down. Keep your head and the back straight all the time during the Enso meditation, so your qi will flow naturally in your body. Put your hands down on your knees with the palms down and your thumbs touching the roots of your ring fingers and your other four fingers wrapping around your thumbs. Focus your eyes on a point remotely in front of you. Now see the flashing signs in your mind eyes, showing number 1, 2, 3 in a distance. This practice will quickly guide you to the meditative state of mind. You can keep your mind at the center of your head, behind your eyes. Now look at the tip of your nose with your eyes half open, half closed. Move your tongue to touch the upper jaw gently. I'm going to count 1 to 21. This is one meditation circle. Please only count it in your mind quietly. Breathe normally and bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale, count 1 and exhale. Inhale, count 2 and exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and repeat. How do you feel? Are your minds like monkeys jumping around in your head? It is normal for beginners. These monkeys are always there. When you pay attention to them, they come out from the hidden darkness in your mind. Now let Enso show you another meditation techniques. You can close your eyes or keep your eyes half open, half closed. Focus your attention on the tip of your nose and keep your mind at the center of your head, behind your eyes. Imagine you are still a kid, playing with bubbles on the green grass, surrounded by rainbow-colored bubbles. Each bubble is one of your thoughts. Now pick a feather. Enso uses a feather grating on the trail. When a bubble of thought floats in front of your eyes, use your feather to touch it gently. The bubble will burst. Do not try to control the bubbles, which are out of your control anyway. Just watch it floating in front of your eyes with awareness. They will come and they will go in your mind. Initially, there will be a lot of bubbles. Over time, there will be less and less. Through your daily practice with Enso, you will get to a more peaceful, happy state of mind. Now, Enso will give you another 10 minutes to meditate. You can stop at any time. But if you stay until the end, Enso will share with you a bonus meditation technique. Now let's begin. Remember to count 1 to 21 in one meditation circle. Congratulations on completing the 10 minutes meditation. How do you feel? Don't get frustrated. Be gentle to yourself all the time. You will get better and better over time through daily practice with Enso. Trust yourself. Let Enso share with you a bonus meditation technique. Imagine your mind as your house and your thoughts and feelings as guests. Welcome them if they show up at your door. Say goodbye to them if they want to leave. Give your thought and feeling guest a name, such as sadness, happiness, and frustration. Be friend with them. You will feel more free and happier. This is the end meditation. Thanks for spending time with Enso. You will have a healthy, happy, peaceful day. Hello, I'm Enso from Enso Circle. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to guide you through daily meditation. Ideally, first thing in your morning and the last thing in your night. Find a quiet place where you will not be disrupted. Sit with your legs crossed or sit on a chair with your legs down. Keep your head and the back straight all the time during the Enso meditation, so your qi will flow naturally in your body.